Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making your Mac always show the scroll bar even when you are not scrolling. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap on the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. Select General. In the General settings, find Show Scroll Bars and select Always from the options. Scroll bars will now always be shown even when you are not scrolling. As you can see, my scroll bar is now always visible, so I know where I am on the page even when I am not scrolling. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.